Hello everybody. This video is to understand what is the surface area and how to calculate it. Now the first question that comes to our mind is why are we learning about surface area and where can we use it in our day-to-day lives? This is a room and if I need to paint it, then how much paint do I need to buy? In order to know that, I must know how to calculate the surface area. Or if I have a box, I need to wrap it. Then how much of a wrapping paper will I need to wrap that box? I can easily calculate that if I know how surface area works. So today in this video we will be learning about surface area of a cube, a rectangular prism and a triangular prism. Before starting to understand the surface area of these 3D objects, let's revise a little bit about how to find area of a square, a rectangle and a triangle. We all know that a square has all the four sides equal. So this is a side and this is a side. Then area of a square is side times side. Talking about a rectangle, this is length and this is width. Then the area of a rectangle is length times width. A triangle, this is called the height of the triangle and this is called the base of a triangle. Area of a triangle is half times base times height. I'm pretty sure you all know these formulas, but it is just to revise that because we will be using these formulas to calculate the surface area of a triangular prism, a cube and a rectangular prism. Now let's see about a cube. A cube has 6 faces and all the sides are equal. Now I have a cube here. This is a cube. Okay, it has how many faces? Let's count. 1, 2 at the back, on the top 3rd, bottom 4th, side 5th and this 6th. So a cube has how many faces? 6 faces. Okay, and all the sides of the cube are equal. So let's say this cube, let's find the surface area of this cube, and one of the length of the sides is 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter. Let's say this where G is written, it is side number 1. So let's find out the area of one side, one face. Let's call it a face. It will be 5 times 5, 25 centimeters square. Now how many faces it has? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have to calculate area of 6 faces and then add them together. So because it's a cube and all the sides are equal, so area of all the individual faces will come out to be 25 centimeters square. So in order to find surface area of a cube, I can do 25 plus 25 plus 25 plus 25 plus 25, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 25. I have to add 6 times the surface area of one of the faces of the cube, or easy way to do it is number of faces times 25. The answer will come out to be 6, 30, 12, 150 centimeter square. Okay, this is how you find the surface area of a cube. You find the area of one of the sides and multiply it 6 times because there are how many faces? 6 faces. Okay, now let's have a look at a rectangular prism. This is the box in my room which I found, which is a perfect example of a rectangular prism. Let's check how many phases it has. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now as you can see that this is a rectangle, this is the length, this is the width. This side is the same as this side, okay, and this side is the same as this side, this side is the same as this side. So if I say, okay, this box is given to you with all the dimensions and I ask you to find out the surface area of this box. It's a rectangular prism, right? So let's draw a rectangular prism first of all. Let's say for this box, this length is 10 centimeter. And this length is, let's say, 2 centimeters. Okay, if this is 10, then this is 10, this is 2, this is 2. Okay, and this side can be, let's say, 5 centimeter. This one. This is the side one. So now, how many surface area you actually need to find? 1 for this rectangle plus area of this rectangle. This rectangle plus area of this rectangle. This rectangle and this rectangle. So you need to imagine a 3D object and calculate how many surface area do I need. Okay, it's a rectangular prism. There are 6 faces. So in total you need to find 6 areas of the different rectangles and add them together. Okay, so in this example, let's say if this is 2 centimeter, then obviously this is also 2 centimeter. If this is 10 centimeter, then this is also 10 centimeter, and this is also 10 centimeter, and this will be again 5 centimeter. So let's see first this face. 10 times 2, area of first, 10 times 2, area of the back side. As I said, if this is 10 times 2, this will also be 10 times 2. So area of phase 1 is 10 times 2, area of second phase is also 10 times 2. Now let's say area of third phase, side 1, 5 times 2, length times width. And similarly it will be this side. If this is 5 times 2, this will also be 5 times 2. So area of fourth phase is also 5 times 2. Now top 10 times 5. 10 times 5, and similarly if this is 10 times 5, then this will also be 10 times 5. The bottom face, it will be 10 times 5. These are the areas of individual rectangles. We need to find the surface area of this box, calculate them and add them together. So all together it will be surface area of a box. 20 plus 20, 40. 10 plus 10, 20. 10 times 5, 50. 10 times 5, 50. 50 plus 50, 100. Adding all together, 160 centimeter square. This is the surface area of this total rectangular prism or this box. Okay, let's talk about a triangular prism. I tried to find a shape of triangular prism, but I couldn't, so I have made it out of cardboard, and I guess I did it okay because it's actually easy to understand and visualize how a triangular prism looks like. This is how a triangular prism looks like. Triangle here, triangle here. One rectangle here, one rectangle here, and a base of a rectangle. So how many sides it has? If I open it up, then how many sides it has? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So if we have been given a triangular prism, and if we are asked to find the surface area of it, then you have 2 triangles whose area you need to calculate and 3 rectangles. Okay? 2 triangles and 3 rectangles, you add them together and then you will be able to find the surface area of this triangular prism. Sometimes it's very hard to understand in 2D figures that how triangular prism looks like. Always remember this. Sometimes the diagram is given like this, sometimes it is given like this, sometimes it is given like this. Okay, so 2 triangles, if you will open it, there will be 5 sides. So 2 triangles and 3 rectangles. Okay, so in another video, I will draw the diagram of a triangular prism and I'll try to solve a question with you. Thank you.